Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF and subscribe to CoinZF right now. Because today's story is about a simple looking coin that could be hiding a surprising fortune in your pocket. The 1952 Washington quarter dollar. Imagine holding a small silver coin that has traveled through American history, passing from hand to hand during one of the most important eras of the 20th century. The 1952 Washington quarter was minted at a time when the United States was growing fast after World War II. Factories were busy, families were building new lives, and everyday coins like this quarter were part of daily spending. But what many people don't realize is that some of these quarters are now extremely valuable to collectors. This coin features the strong and familiar face of George Washington on the front, a symbol of leadership and freedom. On the back, you'll see the proud eagle with open wings, representing strength and the nation's future. The design is simple, but the history behind it makes it special. In 1952, quarters were made mostly from silver, which already gives them extra worth compared to modern coins. Now here's where things get interesting. Not all 1952 Washington quarters are the same. Some are made in Philadelphia with no mint mark, while others came from Denver or San Francisco with small letters under the eagle. Certain versions were produced in smaller numbers, making them harder to find today. And when a coin becomes rare, collectors are willing to pay serious money for it. Condition also plays a huge role. If a coin has been kept safe with clear details, shiny surfaces, and very little wear, its value can skyrocket. Many people spent these coins for years without thinking twice, but a few lucky ones were saved in drawers, boxes, or old collections. Those well-preserved coins are now the stars of the coin world. Another exciting factor is minting errors. Sometimes during production, mistakes happened. A double stamp, offset design, or missing detail can turn an ordinary coin into a collector's dream. These errors are rare, and that rarity can push prices extremely high. Some collectors spend years searching just to find one unusual piece. For viewers aged 55 to 65 and beyond, this coin may bring back memories. You might remember using quarters like this to buy candy, newspapers, or coffee. Back then, it was just 25 cents. Today, depending on its condition and special features, that same coin could be worth thousands of dollars or more. Many people don't even realize they may already own one. Old jars of coins, inherited collections, or forgotten boxes in storage can hide treasures. Taking a closer look at dates and mint marks can be the first step to discovering something amazing. Collectors love the 1952 Washington quarter because it represents a strong period in American history, and because silver coins from this era are becoming harder to find each year. As time passes, fewer remain in good condition, which increases demand even more. The coin market is driven by rarity, condition, and history. When all three come together in one piece, the value can rise quickly. That's why the 1952 Washington quarter has become such a hot topic among collectors. If you ever come across one, don't rush to spend it. Hold it carefully by the edges, avoid cleaning it, and consider having it checked by a professional. Cleaning a coin can actually reduce its value because collectors prefer natural surfaces. Stories continue to surface about people who found valuable coins in everyday places. A man discovered a rare quarter in an old wallet. Another found one in a roll of coins from a bank. These real-life discoveries prove that hidden treasures still exist. The 1952 Washington quarter is more than just metal. It's a piece of history, a reminder of the past, and possibly a life-changing find. Next time you're sorting through old coins, pay close attention. That ordinary-looking quarter could be something extraordinary. And remember, the 1952 Washington quarter dollar value can reach up to $40012. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn about more hidden coin treasures, Keep watching CoinZF and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing coin discovery.